The Dragon's Triangle, also known as the Devil's Sea, is a region in the western Pacific Ocean that has been associated with numerous mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Here are some historical facts and interesting details about the Dragon's Triangle. Location: the Dragon's Triangle is located off the coast of Japan, near the islands of Miyake, Kozu, and Iwo Jima. It is often compared to the Bermuda Triangle in the Atlantic Ocean due to its reputation for strange occurrences. Mysterious disappearances. Similar to the Bermuda Triangle, the Dragon's Triangle has been linked to a significant number of unexplained disappearances of ships and planes over the years. Some reports date back to ancient times, with Japanese legends telling of dragons and sea monsters in the area. Scientific explanations. Scientists have offered various theories to explain the unusual phenomena in the Dragon's Triangle. Some suggest that methane hydrate eruptions from the seafloor could create dangerous underwater bubbles, potentially sinking ships. Others point to magnetic anomalies or extreme weather patterns as possible causes. Historical accounts. One of the most famous incidents in the Dragon's Triangle is the disappearance of the Japanese research vessel Kiyomaru No. 5 in 1952, which was investigating the area's mysteries. However, there have been numerous other reports of vanishing ships and aircraft throughout history. Modern navigation. Due to the Dragon's Triangle's reputation, modern navigation and communication technology has significantly reduced the number of incidents in recent years. GPS and satellite communication have made it easier for vessels and aircraft to navigate safely through the region. Cultural significance. The Dragon's Triangle has a rich cultural significance in Japanese folklore, often associated with supernatural creatures and mysterious phenomena. It has been the subject of many books, documentaries, and even fictional stories. Scientific exploration. Despite its reputation, scientific studies of the Dragon's Triangle continue, with researchers trying to unravel the mysteries surrounding the area. Some findings suggest that the region's dangerous reputation may be based more on legend and superstition than concrete evidence. While the Dragon's Triangle remains a fascinating and mysterious part of the world's oceans, many of its alleged mysteries have been debunked or explained by natural phenomena and technological advancements. Nevertheless, it continues to capture the imagination of those intrigued by the unknown.